Hello, everyone. So the question always comes up around vehicles and whether or not your corporation should be the one owning that vehicle or whether you should charge a kilometer rate. And that is dependent on a lot of factors. And I know we've done videos on this in the past. It requires another video, okay? As a proprietor, you are responsible to keep track of all of your expenses. Okay, every single one of them. And then you're also responsible to keep track of your kilometers, both business and for personal. And when it comes to doing your personal tax return, what you do is you take the amount of business kilometers divided by the amount of total kilometers and you multiply by the expenses that you incurred for that vehicle in that year. Okay, that covers everything. Fuel, insurance, interest, lease payments, all of it. Okay. As a corporation, that is much different. So you have two options as a corporation. You can charge a kilometer rate. In 2022, kilometer rates are 61 cents for the first 5,000 kilometers and 55 cents for every kilometer after that. Okay. Or you can have your business purchase that vehicle outright and claim all the expenses related to that vehicle. There are some problems with that in that your company actually has to have more than 90% usage of that vehicle, which means your personal portion must be lower than 10%. The CRA is coming after people, have been for the last 2 years, prior COVID actually. And it's a really easy thing to audit and a really easy thing for the CRA to get their money back from your tax dollars when they audit you and ask you for a logbook and you haven't been keeping a logbook. It's very simple. We need a logbook, prove your ownership, all that kind of stuff. People don't produce it, they get reassessed because they haven't done it properly. And I know that your friend is probably not doing it right. That doesn't mean that's the way you should do it. It just means that's the way they're doing it, and they're taking a risk on being audited in the future and losing out on those tax dollars. If that's the risk you're willing to take, then I guess that's the risk you're willing to take. But it's my job to tell you what the actual rules are. It's your job to follow them. Okay? You tell us what to do. We put it on the paper. Within reason, of course. So I hope that helps. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Take care of your friends. And be well.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which are linked in the description below. We're more than just an accounting firm. We do business consulting and media creation for our small businesses. Consider checking us out. It would really mean a lot. Hope to see you soon.